It's never too late to try again. It's never too late to decide you want more out of life. It's never too late.
It's never too late to commit to make this day, this very day, the best of your life. To create opportunities for yourself, to be positive, to rise above average thoughts. It's never too late to reinvent yourself, to learn something new, to grow, to feel good again. No matter what has happened or failed to happen in your past, it is never too late, but only if you are committed. Only if you want to change. Do you want to change? Do you want more out of life? You wouldn't be the first person on earth to turn everything around. It is not impossible. All it takes is your commitment, your courage, and your desire to be better. Most people don't change because they lack courage, because they fear the unknown. They fear failure. You are different. You have the courage to try. Don't fear failure. Fear being in the exact same place next year as you are today. There is no greater pain than that of regret. Nothing can kill your soul more than the feeling of regret. Never be afraid to take the risk in life. Never be afraid to take a risk going after what you really want.
You may fail. You will most likely fail often. The failure going after your dreams is nothing compared to the failure that is settling for a life that you don't want.
Nobody is going to make your dream a reality. That's what you need. Whatever you're going through, do not give up. And we're going to get better. After the rain comes the rainbow. After the storm, the sun will shine. Even on the cloudiest days, the sun is still shining. Just wait for those clouds to pass. Tomorrow is a new day. A better day.
It's time. Today's the day. The first day of the rest of your life. Make that commitment. Show me your courage. Be fearless. Never be back.
It's a destination that you have in your soul. It's where you want to be. See, your tears will become the ocean that leads to your paradise. I don't care if you're a woman. I don't care if you're a man. I don't care.